welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do something completely different just in time for the holiday shopping season. If you have someone in your family or a loved one or a friend who is a whiskey bourbon enthusiast, I have put together along with Sean some amazing gift giving ideas for the upcoming holiday season. I'm gonna share with you our top picks today in this video. Before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Subscribe to my channel, turn on that little notifications bell so you're notified whenever a new video posts. Make sure you're following Wicked Bourbon Kid on Instagram to be included in the holiday giveaway mentioned at the end of this video. All right, let's get started with our top picks. First group of products that I'm going to show you today is from an amazing company called Oak and Bond Coffee Company. They sent us some of their products to try out and we are in love with them. They are so good. If you're a coffee fan and you also love whiskey or bourbon, you're going to love these as well. These are perfect for gift giving. They have a few different options on their website, which I will link all of the websites for every product that we're showing today in the description below. Now what's really cool about this coffee is that it has a little label on the front of each one of the packages, which explains exactly where the coffee beans come from. It explains what type of barrel the coffee was aged in. Now the whole thing behind this is that this coffee is aged in once used American oak bourbon barrels. This is the bourbon aged espresso blend, which this is the very first one that we opened up. We loved it. As soon as you pop the top on these, the aroma just hits you. The little coffee bags that come in these cylinder containers, they have these really nice little coffee clips that you can clip the bag shut so it stays fresh, and you can just smell how amazing this coffee is, and you also get that aroma of the bourbon or the whiskey. Now these make great gifts. They're perfect stocking stuffers. There's quite a few different options that they have on their website. Also, they have these little gift boxes. You're actually getting two different coffees in this little cute little gift box. The part I love most is the packaging for these smaller ones. They're in this like soda can style container, and it's got a little plastic lid on the top. You just pry it open and peel it back. This one happens to be the rye whiskey barrel aged. And then we also have the bourbon barrel aged. There's quite a few different options of different coffees that they offer on their website, and I will link those in the description below. Now when you're on their website, make sure to pick up the little mugs, especially if you are giving this as a gift. They have the Oak and Bond logo on the front, and they also have the finest quality barrel aged coffee little logo on the back. So make sure you grab those. If you are going to purchase from Oak and Bond Coffee Company, you want to make sure you pick up a couple little extras to go along with it. Now this is the Krups Coffee and Spice Grinder. This is a must if you are a coffee fan. It's small, it's compact, it sits on your counter nicely, it's super easy to use, and it grinds your coffee beans in an instant. I'm gonna link this in the description. I do have a link for this from Amazon. You can pick these up. They're fairly inexpensive, but it will make a perfect gift along with your Oak and Bond coffee to give to your coffee lover. Now, you want to make sure if you have a Keurig coffee maker and you want to use other types of coffees that you might not be able to get in the little K-Cups, you definitely want to grab the Keurig version or the Keurig brand. We bought a generic and it didn't work in our Keurig coffee maker, so I had to go back and repurchase this one right here. There's a little sensor on the top of the little brew pot or the little brew cup, and so it has to be Keurig if you use Keurig. So I will link this in the description as well, but another nice item to just add with the coffee grinder and the Oak and Bond coffee. Back a few weeks ago, Sean was working in Burlington, Vermont. I ended up taking a ride up there to visit him one day, and I was shopping around in Burlington and I spotted this book called Hacking Whiskey by Aaron Goldfarb. Since Sean is a huge whiskey enthusiast, I thought this was the perfect gift for him, so I picked it up and it is amazing. There's so many different recipes, techniques, lots of different ideas in this book. One of the sections in the book is about an infinity decanter. I have another product I'm going to show you in just a minute because we actually did an infinity decanter, but this is an amazing book, perfect gift for somebody who is a whiskey enthusiast. You can get it from Amazon. I will put the link in the description below, but make sure you check this one out. Each of the decanters are handcrafted and hand blown, and the bases that they're on are crafted out of high quality oak, and you have quite a few different options that you can get for bases for your decanter. We happen to choose the Cullinan M decanter, which is a diamond shaped decanter. Also picked the Prestige wood base, which it is the darker of the woods. It has a really nice felt bottom on the bottom with the Prestige logo. Now, in addition to decanters, Prestige Decanter also makes these gorgeous drink trays. We were able to custom design whatever we wanted on our drink tray. We of course chose the Adirondack State Park seal, but you can do anything. If you have an anniversary, or if you have a wedding date, or if you have initials, you can put whatever you want on your drink trays. This makes an amazing gift, and it's so nice to display it in your home. We've used this so often. We really love it. The quality is amazing. You can go right to Prestige Decanter's website and customize your own tray as well as coasters, and also pick out a decanter to go with it with matching glasses. We've also provided coupon codes in the description below so that you can go ahead and get a discount off of items for the holiday season. Our next holiday pick is from a company based out of LA. Their company is called Infused Spirits. They also make these amazing infused bitters. The company started back in 2012 with the idea that they would infuse real fruits and flavors into vodka. And from there it just grew. And now they offer small batch handmade bitters. Now I know they have 9 different flavors, and we've tried 4 of them, and they are amazing. They actually take your cocktail making to the next level, but in addition to making cocktails with them, you can use them in baking and cooking because there's just so many amazing flavors. First of all, let me show you that they come in these really cute little drawstring bags. I happen to have the clove, which this time of year smells amazing. It tastes so good in a holiday cocktail. You can see the clove is floating right in the bottom of the bitters, so there's no artificial ingredients put in there for extra flavor or anything like that. Everything is all natural, and they hand make every one of the bitters. I have clove, I have aromatic bourbon, I have the cassia bark, and I have sassafras. And those are just 4 of the 9 that they offer. Right now, I know they are doing a special on their website. We'll link that in the description below. Make sure you go check out Infused Spirit. If you're looking to make a really good holiday drink or holiday spirit, I highly suggest checking out Infused Spirits. The next item we've chosen to share with you is the Bourbon Professional Bartender Set. This one happens to be the Boston Bartender Set. I'm gonna show you everything that comes in this nice packaging, which is perfect for gift giving. We've had this for quite a few months now. We use it all the time. So Bourbon offers 2 different versions. We ended up choosing the Boston, which this is the Boston set right here. You're gonna get a large and a small shaker cup. Both of them have the Bourbon logo on the front. Really nice quality shakers. You're also getting a Bourbon fruit juicer, which is perfect for your lemons and limes. Then you're getting the muddler right here, which has a nice like grooved plastic end to it. You have a long cocktail spoon with the twist design for easy pouring. One end is the weighted end, and that's perfect for mixing. And then you're getting the drink strainer, which fits perfectly on both the large and small shaker cups. It also comes with this little double-sided jigger. It's a ½ ounce on one side, and then I think it's 1 ounce on the other side. So those are all the pieces in the Boston Professional Bartender set from Coben Cocktails. I will link this in the description below so you can go ahead and pick one up as well. All right, the last grouping of items I'm going to share with you today is these amazing whiskey glasses from Mafado. Now, Mafado makes some amazing hand-blown lead-free crystal glasses. We've been using them for quite a while now. I'm going to show you a couple different ones that we have in our own personal collection. We have this one right here. These are so nice in your hand. Like, they're just, you can tell they're a really good quality drink glass. Now the Mafado also has its logo. I don't know if you can see, but it's etched right in the bottom of all of their glasses. They're weighted so they feel really good, and they have this really kind of nice indentation on the bottom so that your drinks look amazing in them. This one has got like the cut glass, the cut diamond, and this is your classic old-fashioned glass that I have right here. They also have a few other options on their website. There's one as well that I believe we're going to do a giveaway for. We're actually going to do a few giveaways. They come in sets of 2 for just under $30, which is really not a bad price for a really nice heirloom, high quality whiskey or drink glass. Now, in addition to their glasses, they also offer the mixing glass, which this is a must in your bartender kit. Sean uses this one all the time. This is our own personal one. We actually got the one that matches the little cut diamond glass as well. And they also have the logo on the bottom of the mixing glass. Definitely go ahead and pick one of these up in addition to a couple of glasses. They make the perfect gift for your whiskey or bourbon fan. As a special thank you to our viewers, we are going to be giving away a special holiday gift set featuring 4 of the items mentioned in today's review video. If you'd like to participate in this giveaway, please make sure you're following Wicked Bourbon Kid on Instagram for more details. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to my channel.